Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a numbers file and convert it to an Excel file. Now there are third-party websites out there that can do this for free. You don't need a login or anything like that, but I highly discourage from that because you don't know who's hosting those particular websites. They could be stealing your data, selling it somewhere, or if it's confidential stuff. But I mean, if you don't really care about the data, if it's just, some simple formulas and numbers and no names or anything, you don't really care, then yeah, use those sites. Those are fine at that point. But if it's confidential, I strongly recommend you using iCloud. So we're going to go ahead and open up the web browser. You're going to go to iCloud.com and you're going to go ahead and select on numbers. You can save it as an Excel file, CSV, PDF, whatever you want. So this is great to have on the web. So, and you can do this from any computer basically. So we're on a Windows, right? So we're going to convert this to a Excel file now. So you can see we already have a file up here. If you see the three little dots, you click on that and you click download a copy. And this right here gives you the format numbers, PDF, Excel, CSV. So that's perfect. So we're going to go ahead and choose Excel. So if you already have the file in the iCloud numbers, you can simply do it from right here. Or let's say the file is on your desktop, or maybe it's on a shared drive somewhere on your company's network, and you're like, I need to get in this file, but I'm not on a Mac, I'm on Windows. So how are we going to do this? Well, I love numbers because you can have an upload button. So you're going to click on upload, browse to that file wherever it's at, go ahead and open, and it's going to upload that file. While that's uploading, we can see our demo test Excel file got done converting. So we're going to go ahead and open up that and see that file converted. And then I'm also opening it here so you can see that it is the actual file converted and it did work. So we wait for this to open. And so you can see we're in numbers right now on iCloud, and you can see the data is exactly the same during the converted. So that worked great. So now that file that we did upload, let's go ahead and go to that file, that YouTube test that we had just uploaded. Click on the three dots, same thing, download a copy, select Excel, wait for this to download and convert. And then now we'll be able to open up this as an Excel file on our Windows machine and make all the changes we need. So this is a great utility that a lot of people don't know about, how you can just go to iCloud.com, click on numbers, and boom, you have your data. So it's just to verify there's that data there. We'll go back to iCloud and open up that file. You can see this data will match whatever was in the cloud. And it's on sheet 2. And there you guys go. So that's how you can potentially open up a numbers file on a Windows machine. You just have to do a quick conversion using iCloud. And like I said, there are other websites that do these conversions. I just highly discourage that. But if it's a simple file and you don't care about, someone selling your data, or you just don't know where, they might not sell your data, but you just don't know where it's going once you upload it, right? You don't know if they're deleting it on their back end after the conversion, or you don't know where it's, if they're archiving it or opening it, you have no idea. But there's all these third-party websites that kind of do this conversion where you can take numbers to Excel and upload the file and everything. But like I said, I highly just discourage from that, but it is an option if you have no other options. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.